monkey goes in too to help. Hello, I'm gonna help you. And then there's still a owie. There's still a owie monkey. The monkey said, one day the frog saw the frog lay silly the frog, and the lion really is gonna eat the frog. No more frog ate the frog. What is it talking about? Are you laughing at me?
Oh, because the story is funny.
And one day, no frog now. It's already dead. The lion eat it. So one day, goes out. The lion was sleeping. The lion got awake, smelled something. It smelled a zebra. So the lion is golden dog. Eating and eating. Ate the zebra. It's already spicy, the zebra. So one day the lion got great. Later, he was playing on evening. So let's do it right. Sunny day, the better day. Better day. So one day the lion comes, but it says sorry to your friend, and no more friends now.
Where are you going?
It's
Church?
oh the zebra.